In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at a very quick and easy way to circle crop your images in Adobe Photoshop. So first thing you're going to do is check if your picture, your background, isn't locked here in the layers window, which you can see by this lock icon here. So if there's a lock icon, just click it to remove it so your background or your picture is unlocked. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the frame tool, which is here, or you can press K on your keyboard, and then in the frame tool, as you can see on top of here in your toolbar, you have several options. For this one, we're going to take the circle, and then I'm just going to draw a circle or draw an area on top of my picture like that. And now I have a circle crop. As you can see here in the layers window, we have this circle here, which if you select it, you get the contextual taskbar, which if that isn't visible, you can go to Window and then choose contextual taskbar here. And in this contextual taskbar, we have several options. We can replace the image, so we can generate or import. We can give it a border by clicking here and then choosing colors here, or clicking here to manually select it and then increase our border like this, and we can tell if we want it center, inside or outside. And then we can also choose how we want to have our picture inside of this frame. What you can also do is select the picture here in your layers window, and we can then move it around. And if we press Ctrl+Command+T, we can even adjust it manually like this. And then just by selecting your frame, you can also adjust the framing if needed. But that's probably the fastest and easiest way to circle crop your images in Adobe Photoshop. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.